Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Terraform-managed infrastructure on AWS, full guide step by step clearly. Open your terminal or command prompt. Ensure that you have the AWS CLI installed and configured with the necessary permissions. Navigate to the directory containing your Terraform configuration files. Run the command terraform-managed to initialize the Terraform working directory. This will download the necessary provider plugins. Next, run Terraform-plan to review the resources that Terraform will destroy. This command shows you what will happen if you proceed with the uninstallation. Once you've reviewed the plan and confirmed everything looks correct, run Terraform destroy. This command initiates the destruction of all resources managed by your Terraform configuration. You will be prompted to confirm the destruction. Type yes and press enter to proceed. Terraform will then begin to delete all the resources that were created. This process may take some time, depending on the number and complexity of resources involved. Monitor the output for any errors or issues during the destruction process. Once Terraform completes the destruction, your infrastructure on AWS will be uninstalled. To confirm everything is removed, you can log into your AWS Management Console. Check the relevant services to ensure no Terraform-managed resources remain. If needed, you can also run Terraform state list to verify the current state. This confirms that no resources are left in the Terraform state file. Finally, clean up any remaining local files or state files if they are no longer needed. Your Terraform-managed infrastructure on AWS is now fully uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.